Hello students, how are you? Class student, 80 student. Today I'm going to discuss moral science. Okay, class 8, this is day 4. In day 3 I have discussed regarding the techniques and regarding the how old is gold. You are doing moral science. Okay, class 8. And already I have discussed in the page 1 and this is page 2 you are doing it. Okay, in day 3 already I have discussed regarding the techniques. Okay, which type of techniques was applied in the ancient time, and today we are very lucky because we have a good technology. Okay, we should respect our old person, grandparents. Okay, we should respect him. According to this lesson, old people face lots of problem. They especially face cataract and glaucoma in the old age, and it is very difficult for them, and life is very difficult when our eyes is blind. Okay, cataract and glaucoma turns to blind to our eyes. Okay, and young people don't care to old people, and they face lots of problem in the old age. We should respect them. Okay, we should respect elderly grandparents. Okay, we should not abandoned by by our families. Okay, and we should help them when they are feel and they are unable to walk on his foot. Okay, and there are old age a home is made in each and every states, every cities. In old age home, the old people go and they live on that place, and they get food and rest. Okay, they get the opportunity of work, and they also earns money from that place. Okay, we should help the old people. We should respect the old people. Okay, according to this lesson, every old elderly person has the right to live with dignity. Right to live with dignity. They shall have to access to. They require food. They require shelter, water, clothing, etc. We should give them. Okay. They should be given opportunity to work and earn living. Why old people go on the old age home? Because young people they don't give the place to live, and they don't give proper foods, etc. So in this video we knew the day 4 video how we treat the old people. Okay, and in next video we will know about next things. Thanks for please see the video line by line. Students, I am going to discuss moral science. This is day 4. Okay, already I have discussed from here to here. Today you will know about from here. There are old age home. Old age home means what? Old age home protects the poor and needy people. Those people who they don't have any facilities for living in the home. They protects us. They protects them. There are old age home that looks after the poor, old and people. They are also given opportunity to earn living by caring for poultry, making papas or weaving clothes. These help them to be independent. Old people go in old age home. On that place they get the opportunity for earning and living each and everything they get on that place, because these people are abandoned by their families, and old age home protects them, and they give the opportunity for living and give the opportunity for earning money on that place. Okay. In 1991, the United Nations General Assembly adopted an 18-point program called the Principle of Older Person. Okay, it is United Nations. Okay, and adopted an 18-point program, and there was a program whose name was 18-point, called the Principles of Older Person. According to it, every elderly person has the right to live with dignity. Every person, either old or young, they have right to live with dignity. Live with dignity. Okay, nobody can abandon them. Okay, so they have dignity. They shall have access to adequate food, water, shelter, clothing, and health care. They should be given opportunity to work and earn a living. It is his right. It is his right to earn money and live dignity in the society. It is the right of old person. Okay. In India, we have a long tradition of care, love, and respect for the elders. We know very well in India is very respected country. We respect to old person, okay, and loves to child. In India, we have old tradition. Already in India, we are very lucky because we are living in India, and here it is the tradition to love and respect to the elders. We bow before our parents and grandparents to seek their blessing. Grandparents and parents are experienced person. They have seen the societies of 100 years, 50 years, etc., and they have each and every types of experience. They guide us. And we go on the right track with the help of old and with the help of grandparents and parents. Okay, clear? So in this video we knew from here to here. Next video we will know about from here. Okay.